Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Hi, this is kitchen. This is my kitchen. Today I'm coming inside kitchen to prepare jollof rice. Standard way of preparing jollof rice. See all my recipes. See the rice I want to prepare. See this cabbage. That's call it coleslaw salad with cucumber. It's for garnishing the jollof rice. This is the grounded pepper, tin tomato, cut onions, round in shape. This is shrimp. This is nutmeg, maggi. This chicken. This carrot, cut it in round shape. This is peas. This is sprinkled onions. So now I'm going to start.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me.
Put my water on fire to prepare the jollof rice. This is stock, chicken stock. I'm frying the chicken. I finished pre-boiling the rice. So now I want to start cooking the jollof rice. See my pot on fire. I want to add banana curry in it.
This is our parboiled rice for the jollof rice.
I'm adding that my onions, the cut onions inside the pot oil. Tomato puree. add the sprinkled onions. Add the grounded pepper. I'm adding the Maggi. I add salt. Once you have to add my stuff. I add the stock, cooking stock. But I cover it to boil before I add rice. So right now I want to add the rice. You can see the water is boiling. Let me test. Everything is okay. So let me add the rice. Cover it. Adding the beef. Carrots. Chicken. I'm adding the shrimp. Cover it to steam a bit. Everything is done, so let me carry it down. That's my life. That is the jollof one.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, eh, eh.